Hi, I'm Michael, and today I'll be showing you how to use the basics of DaVinci Resolve 14. First, you will want to create a new project and name it. Once you have done that, click on the Media tab at the bottom. Then you can import clips and audio to the media pool either by going to your C drive or going up to the file at the top and clicking Import Media. After you've put all the media into your media pool, you can create bins by right-clicking below Master and click on Add Bin. This is like a folder for your media, and you can make as many as you want and helps keep it organized. Next we will click on Edit, which takes us to the editing screen. The two screens above the timeline are previews of your footage. Here you can drag and drop your media and audio onto the timeline below and move the media up to make another timeline. Above the timeline you will see some icons such as the magnet and chain link. When the icon for the chain link is white, it means both the clip and the audio are linked together. When the icon isn't white, it means you can move either the audio or the clip separately. Another icon you can use is the razor icon, which cuts, clips and audio. Then you can click on the clip you want and move it and delete the parts you don't want or need. You can also do fade-ins and fade-outs by hovering over the start clip and clicking and dragging the white wedge. The more you drag the wedge, the larger the fade. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.